Hello guys, let me hope you're doing well. So in this video I'm going to talk about why most traders fail. So guys, buckle up and we get done with this video. So guys, this is the trade that I've just taken on the opening of London session. Okay, and as you guys are seeing, I've been taken out at break even. So all my rules were met and my break-even rules were met, though price had not yet reached the break-even part, but I was taken out half risk. Okay, so I want to tell you why most traders fail. So let me delete this real quick. Okay, so this is why. This is the setup that I just created right now. Price had just provided this setup, and let me show you the basis of this setup. So going on the 4-hour, this is what we are seeing. We are seeing a bullish movement taking us to this high and hopefully to the extreme high, which I've been showing you guys time with time since this point right here, because I told you guys a price has reacted off some refined zone and is going to take out this high, continuing this bullish run from sometime back in 2020. Okay, as you guys are seeing, it's breaking multiple structures and it's going higher. So that's not what I'm here to talk about. What I'm here to talk about, why most SMC traders fail. Why am I saying SMC? Because my strategy is not related to any other trend line, any other retail except smart money. So smart money guys think they are the superiors in the market, and I say it's a beautiful strategy. It provides a good high win rate, but most people misuse it. And how do they misuse it? Taking trades off every zone. Okay, so let me say this was a trade of mine on Euro USD. Let me say you have taken a risk entry right here. This is a bad thing. As you guys are seeing, the zone is right here. Okay, this is the full zone. But why does this happen to you guys? Though you may say, let me extend my stop loss, you still get taken out. Okay, my strategy, yeah, I will say I'm also a smart money concept trader, but I do my stuff in a different way. Which different way am I talking about? I follow my rules. I follow structure, SND, okay, confirmation. These are the three things I look at. I don't say I've only seen structure, okay, then I've seen the SND, I will ignore the confirmation. That's not what I do. What I do, if I see structure playing out, I see my zone to work with, then the remaining part is the confirmation. You can't leave out these three. So after these three are met, there is something that we add on. And what's that add-on? That add-on is the management, how you manage your trade. And what do I mean by management? I'm not meaning risk management, but it also works hand in hand. What do I call the management? How you manage your trades when you're in a trade. How do you break even? How do you partial? All that is part of the management part, and I've talked about this, I think, in the recent video. I think if you're new to the channel, you can check out the recent video that I posted and also other videos, because they can help you understand what I'm talking about right now. Okay, so we follow this SSC. So let me show you if a person is only following SS, that structure and supply and demand. Okay, this is what happens to that trader. Let me say a trader took a trade right here. I've already shown you that, and the guy was liquidated badly. Okay, this is what happens. So after getting liquidated again, they see a choke. I'll make a video about the choke, and I show you why I don't use these change of character models that most of people use as confirmation. This is not what I do, okay, because it has a lot of loopholes, a lot of lacuna. Okay, if you're a law student, you understand that. I don't want to misguide you all. Okay, loopholes. There are a lot of loopholes in this choke confirmation, so you can be taken out many times if you use the choke. Okay, so let me say we had the choke right here. This guy has for us right now, us the SSC guys, we are seeing this as the what, the breakout structure right now. This is the breakout structure. This is our first box. Okay, going on the lower time frame, we are seeing zones to work with, though this was not a perfect example. Going on the 5-minute, it was viewed clearly on the 5-minute. As you guys are seeing, also talk about mitigations. If you are seeing price coming down, coming up like this, price was mitigating, uh, it was mitigating zones. So those zones are no longer valid, mitigating this, continuing, providing zones going up. So we have two zones to work with. We have this zone that broke structure, okay, and also this extreme zone, because we have no other extreme zone. All the zones right here have been mitigated, so this can be our extreme zone. Okay, so going in, let me delete all this crap right here. Let me hope you guys are understanding this. I don't want to confuse anyone. If you're new to the channel, I would like you to go back to the recent videos and catch up before you continue with this video. So pause this and go back to the recent videos that I created. They will help you understand this SSC. Okay, so this first thing, maybe you would have gotten a break even right here. Okay, taken a break even, gone down, liquidated this zone. So if you are a normal supply and demand trader without confirmations, this is what you would have faced with. This is the first trade you would have taken. Okay, let me say that's the first, and you have been liquidated. This is the second. Okay, and you are liquidated for. So as you guys are seeing, again you're liquidated right here, because this would have been your stop loss. Okay, again you're taken out instead of looking for confirmation. So without confirmation, you will receive a lot of losses in your trading, though you follow everything, you follow structure, you follow the perfect zones. Are you seeing? I told you guys two zones to work with. I told you the zone that broke structure and also the extreme zone. But as you guys are seeing, both the zones have been liquidated, though this one is working out. So you may say, why doesn't the market like my stop loss all the time, taking out my stop loss? Okay, and I don't want you to start thinking about that, because that's really bullshit. I don't want you to think like that. I don't want you to think that the forex market is a scam and you give up. Most people just give up like that because of this happening to them right here. Okay, get taken out, price continues in your direction. So I talked about this. It's called absorption. So price comes, absorbs the zone and continues to your direction. Okay, so this is it. What I want to tell you guys is, every time that you have a zone, follow the three things: follow structure, SND, confirmation. Without confirmation, don't take the trade. As I tell my people, I tell them, you can only you can pay all your bills with only one trade a week. And you guys think I'm joking. Most guys think I'm joking when I say this, but if you have a funded account, you have passed your challenges well, and you have started gaining. If you use SSC, what I'm training you right now to do, only one trade can make you can pay your whole week. So I don't want you to guys to work like a machine gun, work like a sniper. Okay, don't just shoot anywhere without any confirmations. Be like a dog. A dog cannot pee anywhere without sniffing. So this is the sniff. Look for the area to pee in. Let me just use that example. Look for the area to pee in. When you get the area, sniff the area. Then after sniffing, then you can pee. Okay. I know this example is hilarious, but my mentor used that to explain this shit. So I want you guys to understand this with a lot of drama. So that's it, and I want you guys to use SSC. Don't just take trades blindly. Though you may say, me, my stop loss is going to be down here. You will still get taken out, my friend. Yeah, right now you may win, but sometimes in the future you don't have defined targets. You don't have areas that um, you target, that your stop loss will be at that point. You don't have stop loss levels. Okay, but if with the confirmation you have the stop loss levels very well indicated, so you cannot miss out on moves. So let me show you on this. Let me delete this retail crap, the emotional game. So that money is doing that thing right there. So we are taking their money. After liquidating this, we are taking the money because we are winning. Okay, so right here, the way I took my trade was really so fine. Um, right here on the 5 minute. So I took the trade right there. Stop loss on the low right here. As you guys know, I made a video about this, and my first partial was on the high right here. Okay, but what led me to be taken out was this. After me getting in, we had the first candle right here, the second candle, then I placed my stop loss below this candle right here. Okay, so there price created another candle. There I shifted my stop loss below this low right here. So that's where price came and took me out by a small tick. Okay, because two candles were created, this and this. So I was taken out half risk. So I'm not saying that if you're following the right rules, you will not be taken out, you will not get losses. You'll get losses, but you'll get limited losses and big wins. So guys, take this from me, and let me show you the trade I took yesterday. It was a beautiful trade that most retailers lost a lot of money. So it was at this point right here. Okay, it was a 5 minute trade. So it was this. We broke structure down, we broke structure again. So my first zone was right here, but we didn't get confirmation. So price went back up. As I told you guys, it's the Elliott wave theory. Following the Dow, after the Dow has been disrespected, you add in the Elliott wave theory. So right here, the Dow was disrespected, then we used the Elliott wave theory. And I've talked about this in the recent videos. So if you're new to the channel, go back to the recent videos and look for the perfect structure video. Okay. So without further ado, let me show you how I took this trade. Let me tell you guys, most of the retailers were seeing this as a choke, and I know you guys know that because you have ever used the choke entry criteria. So as you guys are seeing, most of them are seeing buys, strong buys at this point, and most of them were starting to buy in this area right here, that SND, okay, right there, and they were taking price to the highs. Okay, and I don't blame them. I only blame this person who didn't look for confirmation. Okay, this person who didn't look for confirmation in this area. And the reason why I wasn't on that side was because I saw the market had created some retracement, and I was seeing it was a weak retracement, because most of the times I like price coming back to this cycle vault. Sorry, this cycle block right here, this big cycle block. But as you guys are seeing, price had not yet reached the cycle block. Okay, so I took some trade. I didn't want to take the trade until the TP on the cycle vault, but this is what I did. Okay, when price reacted off this, I entered my trade based on the cycle vault entry criteria, and my take profit on the low right here. I showed you guys how to counter trend. So guys, if you have not yet watched the counter trend video, you go back. I made a video how you can counter trend. It's actually the first video in the video section that I created. Okay, so you guys can check it out and catch such moves. So if you're counter trending, your TP has to be on the low. You don't even have to continue price further, because price will disappoint you. And as I show you guys right now, this is what price did. Went, hit the low, came back for other people's stop losses who have not yet closed, again took them out, the people who re-entered, and continued to the low. So you guys are seeing the emotions distorted at this point. This is a place full of emotions, so many people were taken out in these areas. So you need to couple your SSC with the management. So if you learn structure alone, you're not going to be profitable. If you add on SND, you're not going to be profitable. If you add on confirmation, yeah, you will try to be profitable. But if you couple all these three with the management, then you'll be 100% profitable. Okay, so that was it guys for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.